Are you spending hundreds of hours online trying to figure out should you buy the cheapest property or the most expensive property? You're just stuck. You don't know which type of rental real estate you should buy? Well, in this video, I'm going to answer just that question and give you a couple tips coming up. Hey there, it's Billy with Keep On Cashflow, helping you to grow your money and your mindset so that you can get closer to the lifestyle that you really want to lead faster. Now, on this channel, we'll be sharing weekly tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if it's your first time here, why don't you go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And you'll also want to make sure that you are clicking on the links and also leaving your comments in the section below. It really helps everybody to go out and learn a lot more. But as for today, I want to get back to this question that keeps coming up over and over. I've been interviewed on a couple of podcasts recently. I've been speaking to friends when they come to the house. I've been talking to friends at work. And it seems like you may need some help in trying to figure out what type of rental real estate is right for you or that you should go out and buy. And I always like to think about, for instance, I love to eat food, and so I want to kind of share about what are the owners of lots of different restaurants that you go to. What are they thinking about when they want to serve you as a customer? And if you stick around to the end, you're going to see exactly how this ties back into the type of real estate that you should be buying. I'm married. I've got 2 kids. They're 6 and 8 now, and so if I go out and I want to have a nice dinner with my wife and kids, we're gonna probably look for a place that is more like fast food. So the fast food restaurant owner, call it McDonald's, call it whatever you want, they're already thinking about what's gonna be the right experience for me and my wife and my 2 young kids. While my kids are running all over the place, doing things, we can get something to eat, and we want something fast where the kids can have fun. Well, that's kind of one place. There's some times where I just maybe want to go and have a nice dinner with my wife, and maybe we want to go to a place where we can go out, we can have a very nice dinner, calm, relaxing atmosphere, where it can just be the 2 of us. And so the owner of that restaurant is really thinking about a couple that's coming there to have a really nice evening or a nice lunch or what have you. And then sometimes it can even think about, my parents, or if my wife and I want to take my in-laws out, well, I probably need to step my game up and even go to a nicer place. So the person who is owning that really, really, really nice kind of like 3-star Michelin restaurant, they're also thinking about what I should be, what type of wines are they going to have at the dinner table? What is the preparation? What does it look like? And what's the overall experience? Now, the thing in each of these examples is, at the end of the day, I am eating. And the people that went with me, we were all eating. The thing is, we chose very different restaurants, and that's really the same way that I would like to share with you how you should go out and look for your rental properties, the types of rental properties you should buy. Are you looking to serve the person who is going to the McDonald's restaurant? Are you looking for the couple that is maybe going to an Applebee's, or are you looking for someone who's going to go to a 3-star Michelin restaurant like the Sink that I've talked about in other videos? Because once you get that right, then you will know which type of property you should purchase, what type of amenities you should have for your customer or for your tenant or your resident. Because at the end of the day, when you take care of them and you make sure that they are well looked after, that their experience is the right experience, then they're going to be happy. And the fact of the matter is that they're happy, they're going to want to stay, they're going to want to tell other people, and that's just good business and doing good things for your residents and also for you. So when you think about what type of real estate you should buy, my recommendation is that you should also really think about who is the resident that you want your company to serve. And when I say you, I mean you and your team. Because whether it's A, B, or C, or 1, 2, or 3, you need to be equipped on how to help make sure that person is having the best possible experience. So what type of real estate should you buy? You really need to understand the type of customer that you want to serve at the end of the day. So, and because I've given this kind of answer recently, I thought it would be important to come here and share it with you as well, because that may help you in terms of your mindset, in terms of understanding exactly what type of real estate you should buy and understanding the type of resident that you want to be able to serve. So, giving you maybe a new context for that, but I'd really love to hear what your comments are in the section below. So it goes to my question of the day, which is, what type of resident are you wanting to serve? Which means, what is the type of real estate that you are looking to go out and buy? So this is Billy Keels. Keep on cash flow. That's my 2 cents for today. And as always, hasta la próxima.